90% of people fail at making money online because they focus on the wrong things. But today, I'm revealing a step-by-step strategy to make $10,000 a month in 2025. And you won't believe how simple it actually is. If you've been struggling to make money online, or you just don't know where to start, this video is your shortcut. I'll break down exactly what I'm doing, step by step, so you can copy this strategy and start making serious cash. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share the biggest mistake that keeps people broke. First, up YouTube, but not in the way you think. Most people waste time vlogging with no strategy. Instead, I'm using these 3 proven video types that explode growth fast. How-to videos, trend reactions, and AI-generated shorts. These pull in views like crazy, even if you have 0 subscribers. Now, I don't just rely on YouTube ads. Affiliate marketing is the real moneymaker. Instead of selling random $10 products, I focus on HIGH ticket items like software or online courses that pay $500 plus per sale. And the best part? The traffic comes directly from my YouTube videos. Here's where the big money is: creating my own digital product. I'm building a simple online course teaching people how to grow a YouTube business. It takes 0 inventory, 0 shipping, and once it's made, it sells on autopilot. Even if I sell just 10 courses at $500, that's $5,000 plus a month. Here is a breakdown chart. YouTube ads, $2,000 a month. Affiliate marketing, $3,000 a month. Digital product sales, $5,000 a month. Total, $10,000 a month. You see, this is completely doable, and I'm literally starting from scratch, just like you. But let me warn you, there's one huge mistake that ruins everything. Most people quit before they see results. They expect to go viral overnight, and when it doesn't happen, they give up. But the key to hitting $10,000 a month is consistency. I'm talking 3 to 6 months of focused effort. No excuses. If you can do that, you will see results. So, are you ready to start? Drop A in the comments if you're serious about making $10,000 a month. And don't forget, hit like if you found this valuable, and subscribe. If you want more tips and ideas like these,